friends, this is Jitendra, and today we will be enjoying the most colorful festival celebrated in Gujarat, that is Uttarayan. The markets are full of toys for the kids, and every shop has kites and strings to fly kites. So basically, you will find all the footpath and the shops selling strings, toys, and colorful kites. So this year, I had a chance to visit Gujarat during the mid of January and had a chance to enjoy this colorful kite flying festival. I entered the shop and bought some colorful kites. Basically, the kites are very cheap and affordable, promote kind of equality of all rich and as well as poor. They can buy the kites and they can fly it. It symbolizes equality. See what a beautiful kite. So we bought the kites and we decided to fly these kites in a big ground, which was already full of lots and lots of people and kids. So we had an expert who helped us tying the strings with our kite. If you don't tie these strings properly, the kite won't fly. And this is how our kite took into the sky. Kids, elderly people, male, female, all enjoy this festival. The clear blue sky was completely dotted with colorful kites. Well, during this festival, one must remember not to fly these kites from roofs because it's somewhat dangerous. So, people they have changed their ways to fly kites. Now they prefer grounds, open grounds, and they gather there and fly their kites. See, this year there were masks to as a safety measure to protect our face from the rays of sun. This festival, Uttarayan, marks the falling of rays of sun directly in the northern hemisphere of the earth.
पंकज इसको उड़ाने दो ना भाई इसको उड़ाने दो बीच बीच में अकेला अकेला क्या करेगा तो
Mostly small kids, they fly their kites, and there are kite fights also in which two or more kites they come into contact and try to cut each other's strings. This year, the new entrant, a special cap which is having a fan, and that fan is run by a small solar panel in the cap. This kid has that cap. This cap acts as a fan in the sun. You can see this view, and it helps
चलो चलो उड़ो उड़ो
in
उड़ो
staying cool. So, well, friends, whenever you visit Gujarat, do try to visit during mid-January and enjoy this festival at least once in a life. Thank you. Well,